Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by readying both devices. First, enable your phone's mobile hotspot and pick a clear SSID with a strong password. This prevents other devices from joining. Make sure your mobile plan and signal can handle streaming. 5 GHz is preferable when the phone supports it since it reduces interference and latency. While the hotspot is active, power up the PS portal and keep it on the Wi-Fi setup screen so it can detect the hotspot immediately. Now connect the portal to the hotspot. On the portal, go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Wi-Fi. Select your phone's SSID from the list. Enter the password exactly because a single character error will block connection. If the hotspot shows band options, pick the 5 GHz band for lower latency. Once connected, confirm the portal has internet access and check the NAT type. Open or moderate is ideal for stable remote play sessions. Finish by signing into your PlayStation Network account and launching Remote Play to confirm the portal streams from your console. Once done, make sure data-hungry apps on the phone are closed. That frees bandwidth and reduces stutter. If you see lag, try repositioning the phone closer to the portal or switch bands. Sometimes 2.4 GHz reaches more reliably through walls. If problems persist, toggle the hotspot off and on, then reconnect the portal. That refresh often resolves IP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.